Hello dear students, next problem for motion genie troubleshooting. Okay, actually this is motion in one dimension. Okay, motion in one dimension. So the problem is four boys are standing at the four corners of a square ABCD of length of side small a. They simultaneously start running such that A runs towards B, B runs towards C, C runs towards D, and D runs towards A, each with velocity small v. They will meet at O after time given. O is the center of the square. Okay. Now see, first of all, let us understand the exact problem in this figure. This is the square of side small a. Very interesting problem. One boy is standing at point A, other is standing at point B, third one is standing at point C, and fourth one is standing at point D. Okay? Now, A wants to meet B, B wants to meet C, C wants to meet D, D wants to meet A. So they all start running with equal velocity, V. Actually, this is magnitude. Okay. So what will happen? See, after some time, whatever time you take, A will reach to A dash. In the same time, B will reach to B dash. C will reach to C dash. D will reach to D dash. Now, A is here. Okay. So he will try to go in this direction. Similarly, B will be here, so he will go to. He will try to go in this direction. Similarly, C will try to go in this direction, and D will try to go in this direction. By this logic, okay, the square inside will become smaller and smaller, and actually the path described by them will be curvilinear. Curvilinear means this is the path. Okay? So finally, they will meet at O. This is path of A. Okay. Similarly, this is path of B, this is path of C, this is path of D. They will meet at O. We have to just find out the time. Okay. So, see, in right angle triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is small a square plus small a square. That is 2a square. So, AC will be equal to root 2. Now I want to find AO. So AO will be equal to AC by 2, and that is root 2a by 2, and that is a by 2. Okay. Now velocity in AO direction. Now see, this is the velocity v, and this angle is 45 because this is a square. Okay. So this total angle is 90 degrees. So this will be 45 degrees. So v cos 45 is the velocity in direction AO. And we know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now we know that velocity equals to displacement upon time. Here we are considering only the magnitudes. Okay. So our velocity in this direction is v by root 2. Okay. Displacement is a by root 2. Here a is the length of the side of the square. Okay. It is not acceleration. Okay. Keep in mind. So a by root 2 upon time t. So t will be equal to a by root 2 upon v by root 2, that is a by v. Okay.